Okay, here's a follow-up to removing the pump after that loud screech that I had. It's taken a couple years to get to this, but I've already done it once, twice actually, and it's a very simple procedure. Just remove two of the wires, one right here and one right here, the green and the white. Very simple. Pull this tab up, turn the pump clockwise all the way till it stops. If it catches, just pull this up again and just pull the whole unit out. Now what you're going to be doing is greasing this area right here, and like mine, you might have a little bit of rubbing, and then there's shards of plastic right here. So it doesn't seem too bad right now, but I'm just going to re-grease this and then put it back in, and I'll be right back. And while you're at it, before we go, while you're at it, you might want to just clean out some of the fluff and vacuum it as well. But I'll be right back.